Hello students, today we will start balancing of a chemical equation. First of all, what is balancing of a chemical equation? It means making the number of atoms of each element equal on both sides of the equation. For example, consider the following chemical equations like Zn plus H2SO4 gives ZnSO4 plus H2. Now make a table. First, element, number of atoms, in reactants, that is called LHS, and number of atoms in products, that is RHS. Now element is zinc, hydrogen, zinc, hydrogen, sulfur and oxygen. And number of atoms of zinc is equals to 1, hydrogen H2, 2, sulfur 1 and oxygen O4, 4 atoms. Now in products, Zn 1, sulfur, Zns sulfur 1, oxygen 4 and hydrogen 2. Thus the number of atoms of each element on the two sides, that is LHS and RHS of the equations are equal. So it is already a balanced chemical equation. No need to balance it. Next, second, Fe plus H2O gives Fe3O4 plus H2O. First of all, make a table. Element, LHS and RHS. Element, iron, hydrogen and oxygen, and number of atoms. Number of atoms of iron is equals to 1, hydrogen 2 and oxygen 1. number of atoms in products, that is RHS. In RHS, Fe3, iron 3, oxygen 4 and hydrogen 2. Now, first of all, balance oxygen atoms in both sides. So Fe plus H2O gives Fe3O4 plus H2. Now in RHS oxygen atoms are 4 and in LHS oxygen atom is 1. So in LHS we multiply H2O by 4 H2O. So Fe plus 4 H2O gives Fe3O4 plus H2. Oxygen 4 in RHS and oxygen 4 also in LHS. Now balance for hydrogen atoms. Hydrogen atoms in LHS 4 to the 8 and in RHS hydrogen atoms are 2. Then RHS multiplied by 4, that is Fe plus 4H2O gives Fe3O4 plus four H2. Now balance iron atoms. In right hand side iron atoms are 3 and left hand side 1. So we multiply iron atom by 3 and final equation 3Fe plus 4H2O gives Fe3O4 4 to the 8 Fe3O4 plus 4H2. Fe plus 4H2O gives Fe3O4 plus 4H2. Next, balance the equation CH4 plus O2 gives CO2 plus H2O. Now In LHS, hydrogen atoms are 4, and in RHS, hydrogen atoms are 2. Oxygen in LHS 2 atoms, and RHS 3 atoms, and carbon in LHS 1 and in RHS 1. Now first of all, balancing oxygen atoms. Balancing oxygen atoms बोथ साइड. इधर एक ऑक्सीजन है, एक नहीं, इधर 2 और एक 3 है, जबकि इधर 2 है. नाउ वी मल्टीप्लाई H2O by 2. CH4 plus O2 gives CO2 plus 2H2O. Number of oxygen atoms in right hand side 2 plus 2, 4, while in LHS only 2 oxygen atoms. Therefore we also multiply O2 in LHS by 2. So oxygen atoms are balanced. 2 plus 2, 4 oxygen atoms, and in RHS also 4 oxygen atoms. हाइड्रोजन आपका ऑलरेडी बैलेंस्ड हो चुका है. 2 to 4 हाइड्रोजन and hydrogen 4. Now carbon 1 atom, RHS 1 atom. So this is a balanced chemical equation. You can try it by making a table like element, number of atoms in LHS and number of atoms in RHS. Question. Now balance the following chemical equations. CH2 carbon disulfide plus O2 gives CO2 plus SO2. Second, Mg plus CO2 burn MgO plus carbon. CaCO2 third, CaC2 plus H2O gives CaOH whole twice plus C2H2. 4. Zn plus HCl. Zn plus HCl gives ZnCl2 plus H2. Thank you.